My name is Ayana Armani, and you're watching Disney Channel. Okay, I always wanted to do that, so. Okay, but for real, it's Ayana Armani, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how to do a quick puff, my infamous puff that I always go to. Okay, so if you want to know how to go from this dry, messy bun to a moisturized puff, stay tuned. Can we just get into this skin though? Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. This is what my hair is looking like. So when I do my puffs, I do two different ways. I'll either do it the lazy way, where I actually take my time and do like a braid out or a twist out, and I'll unravel the braids of the twist the next day and then form my hair into a puff. But guess what? Today is a lazy puff day. So, and then when I do my lazy puffs too, I really don't twist up my hair, so my puff is like really my natural curl pattern. So yeah, so let's get started with some of the products I'm gonna be using. Just like I do my braid outs, I'll do the LOC method. I'm gonna take a liquid, a oil, and a cream that I want to use, just so my hair is moisturized in my puff. So for my L, I'm gonna be using this Cantu leave-in repair cream. For my oil, I'm gonna use the Via Naturals Argan Oil. And for my cream, I usually use two creams. I use this Cream of Nature Pure Honey, and then this As I Am Dole Buttercream. And then, you know, with your edges and whatnot, whatever you want to slick with, use Gorilla Snot and Eco Style Gel. And yeah, so right now I'm about to get into moisturizing my hair. So yeah. So when y'all saw me start looking crazy in the video, I dropped one of my twisting creams out my lap on the floor, and look. Oh my gosh. Like, it's all over my floor and on the wall over here. Like, bruh. Wasting hair products. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna take this off and show y'all what it looks like. So yeah, this was a quick little go-to style. This is my go-to style when I'm being lazy, if a braid out fails, or even a wash and go goes right up. So yep, this is the final look. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment some other video suggestions down below. Anything you want to see on my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And yeah, and if you're not subscribed already, go subscribe. Y'all, I'm really feeling this puff. Cause period. Okay, I'm out.